ki khu bo ki bnya Umentri rang ba ke jela ukonrat ki sangma ne ke sngiu le pli pat ba ya ke workshop na ke benta ki he ke Tnat Khlaw Halor ke Jingjurip bat ban bu Jingtho ki Khlaw ha Meghalaya ka ba la long ha Sylvan House ukonrat ula banjor lo ke Jing Kongsan jong ke buj start technology ban lum Jingtip ban pej benya ba ban thau ki kom trekam ula ong ba ke Jing lum ya ki Jingtip na Tnat ba pher kan pela ya ke soka ban thau ya ki kom trekam ki bapaka Ula pelat pat ba ru ya ke kai pot Halor ke Jingjurip bat ban bu Jingtho ya ki Khlaw ha Meghalaya.
Moving very fast when it comes to data collection and data and information about different aspects of forest cover, different aspects of health factors, different aspects of education. And all the other different departments that we have. And now there is a huge inflow of information that is coming in. And what is important now for us to do, whether it's the forest or any other department that is there, is what is it that we do with this information and with this data? That is the critical part.
Ka kan hun menteri ne ke sngi kala menjur ya